Here's PlantNet app. It's pretty interesting plant identifier app. There are a bunch of apps like this. You can identify one plant from a picture and be part of a citizen science project on a plant biodiversity. It's an application that allows you to identify plants simply by photographing them with a smartphone. Very useful when you don't have botanists on hand. It's also a great citizen science project. All the plants you photograph are collected and analyzed by scientists around the world to better understand the evolution of plant biodiversity and better preserve it. So yeah, all kinds of plants can be identified. You can just give access to your location, and then yeah, you can just see and then just try to identify and then just select an account. You can also skip and then you can just tap camera to start identifying. And yeah, that's basically the idea. Then you also have groups. You can see groups, and this is like a community of this app. It's pretty nice. And then you can see feed, like a lot of plant identifiers just posting their updates. Then you can see a lot of species, for example, if you're based in Northern Europe. And then you can start the identification. So pretty cool. So let's just try it out. I'm not outside, but yeah, I can just show you, like, for example, if you wanna scan an app, scan a flower. So let's just try it from the laptop if it's gonna work. So then you will see some different options like sunflower, plain sunflower, peach sunflower, like Susan, and then additional options. And then in the right section, you will see the percentage of the match. So here it says 55% of this match. And then you can just see the picture and then, okay, confirm. Then you can just add additional data like geolocation. And yeah, and that's pretty cool. And then, for example, if you're hiking somewhere or traveling and then you just want to use some of this app, and you can just try it out, and it's pretty cool. You can learn a lot. Also, if you like your garden, you can also discover that. So it's pretty cool, interesting app. Of course, there are so many apps like that, but try it out.